Today, I want to talk to you about an enemy that lives inside you, the one that stops you when you try to move forward, the one that steals your dreams while you sleep. That enemy is fear. But today, I'll show you how to defeat that fear, how to become a fearless warrior. Conquer the fear. These 3 words can change your entire life. First, understand what fear really is. Fear is an illusion created by your mind. It whispers, you can't, you're not good enough, you'll fail, people will laugh at you. Fear wants to trap you inside your comfort zone because that's where you feel safe. But guess what? Magic happens outside your comfort zone. Everyone feels fear, even the people you think are the bravest. The only difference is they control their fear instead of letting fear control them. They move forward despite being scared. Courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is taking action, even when you're afraid. Look at history's greatest people. Every one of them conquered fear. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, yet he didn't give in to fear. He said, "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." When Elon Musk started SpaceX, everyone said it was impossible. Did he feel fear? Of course, but he still tried. Look at your favorite athlete. Do they not feel nervous before stepping onto the Olympic stage? They do, but they compete anyway. Your favorite singer, they feel stage fright too, but they perform anyway. So the question is, how will you conquer fear? Step 1, face it. Running from fear doesn't work. The more you run, the bigger it becomes. Look straight at what scares you. Admit that you're afraid. There's no shame in it. It's human nature. Step 2, understand it. What exactly are you afraid of? Failure? Rejection? Judgment? Death? Once you understand the root of your fear, it becomes far less terrifying. Step 3, challenge it. Question your fear. Is it really that scary? Most of the time, the mind exaggerates things way more than reality. Step 4, take action. This is the most important part. Take a small step even while you're afraid. Afraid of public speaking? Talk to a small group first. Afraid of heights? Climb a little higher each time. Afraid of failure? Start with a small experiment. Action is fear's biggest enemy. The first step will shake you. Your hands might tremble. Your heartbeat will rise. But the second time gets easier. The third time feels normal. Eventually, the thing you feared the most becomes just another part of your everyday life. Remember, fear gives you 2 things: excuses or results. You choose which one you want. And here's something crucial. Don't fear failure. Failure is not the end. Failure is feedback. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times while trying to create the light bulb, but he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." When you fail, you learn. When you learn, you grow. When you grow, you succeed. It's that simple. Life is short. Do you really want to live with regret because fear held you back? Do you want to look back someday and think, what if I had tried? No. You want to say proudly, I tried, I conquered, I lived. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your teacher. It shows you where the next level of your growth is. Where there is fear, there is opportunity. So make a decision today. Don't let fear control your life anymore. You own your fear. Fear does not own you. Do the very thing that scares you the most, because on the other side of that fear lies your dream life. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Conquer the fear. Unleash your power. Live your legend.